Hello everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Today we are going to talk about sketch to component. And I know people will be like, but we have already talked about sketch to components. And I have this and I made this first look video. But today actually I'm going to show you again sketch to component. The reason I want to do that is because Abel, one of the co-founders of Flow, actually watched this video and he reached out to me saying that they had a couple of issues with the sketch to component and now they have fixed it. So please try it again. And I said, I think it's best to actually record another video because I really like the idea that Abo is actually, first of all, Abo is watching my videos. Thanks for it. And I think it's much appreciated for the whole community because this is now available in production, but when I tested it, it was only in beta. And I tested it because it was announced in FFDC and I wanted to test it myself. So this video, we're going to actually test sketch to component one more time and see if there is change. And I already can see that there are some changes. So first of all, sketch to components and the other AI2, which is page completion, I think is the name of it. Now they're available in the production, like I said, so you can go and test it. The second thing is that now we have a limitation, so we have only 5 sketches per day, I guess. Yeah, so only 5 sketches per day, which to be honest, are pretty much okay. I'm happy with 5 sketches per day. Yeah, so without further ado, let's actually first say thank you very much for all the people who have subscribed to my YouTube channel and all the people who are paid members to my YouTube channel. That actually means a lot to me, and 95% of all the income are actually coming from YouTube paid members. And also, if you consider to be a paid member, you have an access to every Wednesday I do live sessions, and you have access to all my history, all my live sessions in history. And they are pretty great, to be honest. I know I'm the guy who have created them, but there are a lot to learn there. And also, if you consider to be a fanatic, you have access to 30 plus videos that are only available first to my paid members, like this video in particular, and then they're released to everyone else. So without further ado, let's actually jump into showing you sketch to component. I just want to say it one more time. Thanks for able to have the time to watch the video and reach out to me that there is actually an updated version, so I can actually create this video now for all of you guys. Sketch to component, I can already see that it is improved. The reason I'm saying that is I have uploaded this cover of my one of the latest YouTube videos that I have created for environments. And I can actually see that it says component generated successfully. Last time when I tried, it was not generated successfully, so I haven't previewed it, so this is live previewing it. Let's see. It's actually, I cannot imagine that you can actually upload an image and then uploading that image, you'll be able to get a component out of it. That's mind blowing. So let's preview the component. Yeah, so it's full of flow, have the image, environments, switch between pro. So it's actually read the text, which is impressive. We have the image, which is impressive. And I'm going to insert a component. This component I'm going to say cover, YouTube cover probably. And then I'm going to create a component. I'm pretty happy, like there could be some improvement, but I'm pretty happy with what it turns out to be. And also, I really like the padding. I really like that Fluidflow is actually putting padding. The AI of the Fluidflow is actually putting padding. I can make it scrollable because I believe, yeah, I believe that this is scrollable. It is actually, that's right. And yeah, it's of course it's not the perfect one that I have done it, but it's pretty much okay. It's mind blowing that it's actually even like creating it out of the image. Another test that I want to do. Last time I did that uh, uh, component. I tried to do that component. Let's try to do it right now. So let's say that I have this menu and I have home over here. And then here I have some kind of an image, let's say, and I'll just say image. I'm not sure if I say image it will work that way. And this here will be text. And this here will be description. And let's say that there is a heart. For some reason, there is a heart over here. So let's save it and let's generate component. I have like 5 components. I'm going to use them all, to be honest, because I want to test how they sketch the component. Yeah, it's successful. Last time this was not created successfully, as you can see. So let's preview the component. Yeah, pretty much what I actually did. Pretty impressive. I'm pretty impressed. This is like 5 of 5, to be honest. I really like the output of this one. It's exactly what I wanted. Pretty impressive. You have the line, you have the icon. I'm pretty impressed by this one, to be honest. So let's insert it. This will be home component, something like that. Okay, great. That's actually wonderful. Let's try with something else that I tried the last time. I think the last time I actually tried some basics and I had some. I tried that actually, which was some kind of a, let's say, game or something like that. Let's try that out. I know that this is going to work. Let's actually see. I don't want an image, sorry. I want to sketch it. So let's actually do a box over here, do a box like that. And let's try this component. Let's see if that is a little bit more complex, I think. So let's say I have home over here. And let's actually say that this is a button. And then here, inside here, I want to have, oh, come on, that is wrong. That is wrong. I didn't mean that. So here I want like this kind of symbols over here. And this like that. So let's try it like that. Or maybe, should I make it more complex? No, I'm fine with that, to be honest. Let's try to generate this one. Let's see if that is going to be generated. Yeah, pretty much, yeah, it's generated. Let's preview it. Yeah, it's pretty good. And I'm happy with this generation, to be honest. 5 of 5 stars. It's exactly what I wanted. So it's inserted. And let's say PS component. And then, yeah, this is a component. I'm actually wanting to see how it created. So it has a row, it has a container, and has an icon. That's actually interesting. This is exactly what I wanted to check, if the AI is actually using icons for that. And yes, indeed, the AI is using icons. For some reason, the square icons, the circle icon is filled. It could be that one, to be honest, and the square one, it could be that one. But other than that, I really like that there is a gray, a very light gray. I don't know if you can actually see it, but there is a very light gray background below the icons. I really like that. So to be honest, if I try to make that, you can see how many widgets there are here. And if I try to make that, it would take me like, I don't know, 10 minutes or something like that. And now the AI just did it in 2 maybe. So for sure, if I want to do something, uh, I would definitely can test it with the AI. So I made some testing, like very. I don't think that this is going to work, but let's try it out. So I made some testing with, let's say, a map over here. So let's say this is some kind of map. This is like, yeah, I don't think that this is going to work, but let's see. So, and if I say to the AI that this is a map, so maybe I can say map. I don't think that this is going to work because this is like, and I'm going to point it. I'm going to show to the AI, this is a map, and then here I can say like location. Oops. Oh, come on. Yeah. I don't think that this is going to work like I said, but maybe I can place some building over here. I'm not very good with painting, man. Not very good with painting. Wow, this does not look like a building. Okay, let's save it. Let's create this. And let's see if that is going to create a map. I don't think so. I don't think that, let's see. Uh, oh, okay, it's created an image with a map, which is interesting. This is interesting. So I would say map component, create component. Yeah, I don't want to read that one because I'm not sure if this is good or bad. Probably it's good because it's actually not. I really like the idea that the AI is not failing anymore. And you have location, which is exactly what I write over here, and then we have the map, and we have it like it was the. To be honest, it was the easy way around to just make an image instead of the actual map. And I was just wondering, using and I have one more thing, and I just want to know, what if I want to do like a player? So what if I want to do, what if I want the AI to create me a player? So I can say, like this will be a play button, and let's say that this will be. Let's say this would be, let's say over here, I'll have the album cover. And then underneath over here, I'll actually have artist. If Habo is actually watching this, I think having a text widget, it would be much appreciated, so I don't have to draw my text. And then this is a song. And what else an audio player can have? So let's see if I can draw this, but something like this. So this will take you back. What about this one to go forward? Okay, great. And then we have one more button, which is a line to play like a loop. And we have a shuffle one. So we have this one, which is the shuffle one. And then maybe at the bottom over here, I want to have the timeline. So let's say here 0, and let's say 15, Then I have the cursor will be over here. I don't know if the AI can actually handle this, but let's see. Let's say 2 minutes and 37 seconds. And maybe the album could be the whole thing at the top. Maybe the album can be something like that. Okay, let's see. I think this is complex enough. Let's see. Let's see what the AI will generate. This is my last generation. So let's see if the AI will go into shine or not. It's complete. I really like that the AI is actually completing. Like it's not, we're not getting any errors anymore. That is great. Oh, and wow. Wow, I'm really impressed. I'm really impressed. The album cover, you could put like image over here. I really like it's like, I really like the icons. I really like the artists and the songs. I'm going to, of course, fill it out. So I'm going to insert that. So this is an audio player component. Let's actually add it. So the colon, it's never putting scrollable for some reason. And this component is scrollable. Let's actually zoom out a little bit. Yeah, you can actually see the album cover, which ideally can actually have an image, and it would be like something like album cover, something like, I don't know, something like that. Yeah, something like that. And we're probably not having the text over here, so that looks like professional to me, to be honest. Like we have the artist, we have the song, we have the text. So for some reason, the text is actually going outside, which kind of look weird. I'm really not sure why. I really like the idea that this line is made by container. So I really like that idea, to be honest. And yeah, this is going outside of the component, which is probably we can fix that by 150, let's say. Yeah, so now it's much better. And to be honest, I really like this to be on the bottom and this to be on the bottom, and to have like a circle over here indicating where the current position is. But those are minor changes. Like those are minor things that everything else looks fine. Or maybe I can expand it, to be honest. Yeah, maybe I can expand it. That's why we don't see everything. Maybe I can go back. Yeah, yeah. So that's it, actually. That's it. I don't know about you guys, but that looks pretty much, that looks great. It's like putting icons. Like I'm impressed. I'm impressed with this tool right now, to be honest. So yeah, with that, I don't have any more iterations. Let's try to, yeah, you have reached your daily limit. So I don't think it's going to work, but let's try it out. Yeah, let's see. I'm just speculating right now with flow. And is it going to work? Yeah, it's not going to work. Please try again tomorrow. Yeah, fair enough. But yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I really hope you can test this new AI2 sketch to component as well. And then let me know in the comments, what do you think about sketch to component? Like we know Abel from the Fluid Flow is actually watching those videos, so who knows? Maybe he will write your comments as well, and they will implement or improve that too. Like the video that I did was beneficial for the Fluid Flow team, so that's my idea. That's my goal, actually, to be beneficial for the Fluid Flow team and for the community as well. So I really like that Yeah, I'm not sure, but I really like that I was helpful in some kind of way. So thank you very much and have a nice day. Take care.